Welcome to a land sculpted by ancient ice and sea. This is Norway, a realm of staggering natural beauty. Our journey begins into its dramatic heart of wonders. We will explore majestic fjords that defy imagination. We will witness vibrant cities thriving in wild landscapes. Prepare to be captivated by its breathtaking panoramas. Norway's spirit is found in its powerful, raw nature. Our first destination is the iconic Geirangerfjord. This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site of immense beauty. Deep blue waters carve through towering green mountains. Waterfalls cascade down sheer cliffs like silver veils. The famous Seven Sisters waterfall is a glorious sight. See the ribbons of water dance down the rock faces. From the deck of a ferry, the scale is overwhelming. Tiny farms cling precariously to the steep hillsides. These farms tell stories of resilience and hardy living. Kayaking here offers a serene and personal perspective. You feel dwarfed by the grandeur of the landscape. Geirangerfjord is a true masterpiece of the natural world. From one giant of water, we move to another nearby. The stunning Sognefjord is known as the King of Fjords. It is Norway's longest and deepest fjord, a true giant. It stretches over 200 kilometers inland from the coast. Its mighty arms branch out, creating smaller, unique fjords. One of its most famous arms is the narrow Fjord. This fjord is also a protected UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sheer rock walls rise dramatically, almost touching the sky. Charming small villages the shores of the Sognefjord. These communities have existed for centuries in this place. Life here is a blend of tradition and modern living. The landscape has shaped the people and their culture. Next, we venture to the vibrant coastal city of Bergen. It is known as the gateway to the fjords of Norway. Bergen is a city with a rich history and unique charm. The historic Bergen Wharf is a colorful, lively area. Its wooden houses lean together along the old harbor. This Hanseatic Wharf is another of Norway's UNESCO sites. Explore the narrow alleyways and discover hidden gems. The smell of the sea and fresh fish fills the air. The bustling fish market is a feast for all senses. Taste local delicacies like smoked salmon and king crab. Bergen is surrounded by 7 magnificent mountains. Take the Flåm funicular to the top of Mount Flåm. The panoramic view of the city and sea is unforgettable. Now our adventure takes us to a place of legend. We are heading to hike the world-famous Trolltunga. Translated as the Troll's Tongue, it is truly epic. This sliver of rock juts out high above Lake Jostedalsbreen. The hike is challenging, demanding strength and endurance. It is a long and strenuous journey through mountain terrain. You will cross rivers and climb steep, rocky ascents. The changing landscape along the trail is incredible. But the reward at the end is absolutely worth the effort. Standing on Trolltunga is a breathtaking experience. You are suspended 700 meters above the lake. The sense of accomplishment and awe is profound. This is an adventure that you will never, ever forget. Another iconic hike awaits us in the Glacier region. Preikestolen, or the Pulpit Rock, is a natural marvel. This massive cliff has a remarkably flat-top surface. It rises a staggering 600 meters over the fjord. The hike to Pulpit Rock is more accessible than Trolltunga. It is a popular trail for visitors from all around the world. The path winds its way through forests and up mountains. Every turn reveals another stunning view of the landscape. Reaching the top feels like stepping onto a giant's pulpit. The sheer drop to the glistening fjord below is thrilling. Sit on the edge and soak in the majestic scenery. The panoramic vista of the Glacier is simply divine. Pulpit Rock offers one of Norway's most famous views. We journey north, crossing into the Arctic Circle. Here we discover the magical Lofoten Islands archipelago. Dramatic peaks rise directly from the deep ocean waters. Picturesque fishing villages nestle in sheltered coves. The iconic red Rohrbuer cabins line the rocky shores. These were once traditional homes for visiting fishermen. Today they offer cozy accommodation for travelers. Lofoten is a paradise for hikers, climbers, and surfers. The hiking trails offer some of Norway's best views. Geirangerfjord is a challenging hike with an epic reward. The view over the village of Rain is postcard perfect. White sandy beaches with turquoise water surprise you. Hawkland Beach could easily be mistaken for the Caribbean. In winter, the Lofoten Islands transform completely. A blanket of pure white snow covers the landscape. The days are short and the nights are long and dark. This is when a spectacular natural light show begins. The Aurora Borealis, or Northern Lights, grace the sky. Ethereal ribbons of green, pink, and purple dance above. Witnessing this celestial ballet is a humbling experience. It is a magical phenomenon that captivates the soul. Lofoten's dramatic scenery provides the perfect backdrop. The lights reflect in the calm waters of the fjords. You feel a deep connection to the universe and nature. Seeing the Northern Lights is a true bucket list moment. Our journey continues to the northern city of Tromsø. It is a vibrant hub located far above the Arctic Circle. Tromsø is often called the Paris of the North. The city is a lively center for culture, food, and music. The Arctic Cathedral is a stunning piece of modern architecture. Its triangular shape and glass facade are truly unique. Tromsø is one of the best places to see the Northern Lights. Numerous tours depart from the city into the wilderness. Knowledgeable guides help you find the perfect viewing spot. They share stories and myths about the celestial display. In summer, Tromsø experiences the midnight sun. The sun does not set for several weeks during this time. This gives you endless daylight to explore the region. Now we head inland to explore a different kind of wonder. Jostedalsbreen is the largest glacier in mainland Europe. This immense ice cap covers a vast area of mountains. Several glacier arms float down into the surrounding valleys. One of the most accessible and beautiful is Jostedalsbreen. The glacier's blue ice is a stunning sight to behold. It glows with an otherworldly light in the sunshine. You can hike to the glacier tongue to see it up close. The power of the ice that shaped this land is palpable. Listen to the creaks and groans of the moving glacier. It is a living, breathing entity, constantly changing. Witnessing a glacier is a powerful reminder of nature. These ancient rivers of ice are truly magnificent. Let's travel along one of the world's most scenic drives. The Atlantic Ocean Road is an incredible feat of engineering. This road connects a series of small islands and skerries. It twists and turns, dipping and arching over the sea. Driving along, it feels like you're dancing on the ocean. The Storsundset Bridge is the most famous section. Its dramatic curve creates a stunning visual illusion. On a calm day, the drive is beautiful and serene. During a storm, waves crash over the road dramatically. It is an exhilarating experience in any kind of weather. The road is a testament to human ingenuity and vision. It connects remote communities to the mainland. This is a journey you want to take very slowly. Our Norwegian exploration now leads us to its capital. Oslo is a city where modern architecture meets nature. The city sits at the head of the beautiful Oslofjord. It is surrounded by lush forests and rolling green hills. The striking Oslo Opera House rises from the water's edge. Its angled white marble roof slopes down to the fjord. You can walk all over the building, a unique experience. From a roof, you get fantastic views of the city. Oslo has a thriving arts and culture scene to enjoy. Visit the Munch Museum to see the famous painting The Scream. Explore the Viking Ship Museum to see ancient vessels. These well-preserved ships offer a glimpse into the past. Stroll through the Vigeland Sculpture Park's green space. It features over 200 bronze and granite sculptures. Oslo perfectly blends urban life with outdoor recreation. From the capital, we take an unforgettable train journey. The Flåm Railway is considered one of the world's best. This scenic train ride descends from the high mountains. It travels from Mordal Station down to Flåm by the fjord. The journey is only 20 kilometers long, but is epic. It passes through 20 tunnels carved into the mountains. The views of waterfalls, peaks, and valleys are stunning. The train makes a special stop at the Kjosfossen waterfall. You can get out and feel the powerful spray of the water. A mythical huldra might even appear to dance for you. The engineering required to build this railway is amazing. It is a testament to the skill of the railway builders. The Flåm Railway connects the mountains to the sea. It is a beautiful and relaxing way to see the landscape. We now discover the charming and historic city of Trondheim. It was once the capital of Norway during the Viking Age. The city is situated on the Trondheim Fjords shore. The colorful wooden warehouses line the Nidelva River. These buildings on stilts create a picturesque scene. The Old Town Bridge, Gamla Bybro, offers perfect views. Nidaros Cathedral is the city's most impressive landmark. This magnificent Gothic cathedral is a national sanctuary. It is the northernmost medieval cathedral in the world. The intricate details of the facade are breathtaking. Trondheim has a youthful energy thanks to its university. Explore the backlanded neighborhood with its cozy cafes. It feels like stepping back in time in this quaint area. Trondheim offers a wonderful mix of history and charm. Our final destination takes us to the remote north. We are visiting the North Cape, or Nordkapp, Plateau. This is often considered the northernmost point of Europe. The sheer cliff rises over 300 meters from the sea. Standing here feels like you are at the world's edge. The vast Arctic Ocean stretches out before you endlessly. In summer, the midnight sun hangs low on the horizon. The sun never dips below the horizon, creating soft light. It is a surreal and beautiful experience to witness this. The iconic Glow Monument is a famous photo opportunity. The Visitor Center provides insight into the area's history. Reaching the North Cape is a pilgrimage for many travelers. It is a place of solitude, reflection, and raw beauty. The feeling of standing here is truly indescribable. Norway is a land of endless and diverse wonders. From its deep fjords to its towering, snowy mountains. From its vibrant cities to its remote, charming villages. This country offers adventures for every type of traveler. It is a place where nature's power is always present. The landscapes are so grand they can feel overwhelming. The beauty of Norway will leave a mark on your soul. It is a destination that invites exploration and discovery. The memories you make here will last you a lifetime. Norway's magic is real, and it is waiting for you. This has been just a glimpse into its amazing places. There's so much more to see and to experience here. Which of these Norwegian wonders would you visit first? Let us know your favorite place in the comments below. We love hearing about your own travel dreams and plans. For more incredible travel videos from around the globe, make sure you subscribe to the channel and join our community. Don't forget to ring the bell to get future notifications.